So, hello guys. Today we are doing a Stick War Legacy video. It's a new game in our channel. So like and subscribe for more channels, for more videos. So
We are the red team.
yes, we are red.
Okay,
But we are
don't
blue.
forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Yeah. So sorry for giving no videos for 6 million years. Yeah, but don't worry, we got a video after 6 years. Yeah. Today we
Hey.
didn't even finish one campaigning. I finished all the campaigns. I only downloaded the yesterday. Oh, great. Ouch! The sounds. I hate that sound, bro. Okay, this is Stick War Legacy. So
today we are gonna play Snake Ball with the Snake.
Legacy.
Not just
Legacy.
West.
West Wind?
Oh God!
Ah shit, bro.
You're over, bro. There's nothing left for you.
And just do this. Beep, 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 beep. I'm mining with my other friend. This is Haran.
Wait, I don't know
Ah,
what does
wait.
this do.
That does damage. That's a new thingy kebab. Thingy kebab. Ding, 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 ding. Let's,
You need to get a witch.
yeah.
It spawns like anything. It spawns
Little minions.
no soldiers for our country, so we can make so many soldiers. So our kingdom would have so many soldiers.
What?
I don't know what I mean.
Ah! He shot the gun at my head. No, he actually didn't even shoot anything. The bullet jumped out of the magazine. Why is it jumping out of the magazine?
Look at this.
Hey,
I know it.
he ate it. Is it
Look at
tasty?
this. Look at this.
Ah! Ouch, that's so much sound. Hey, we
You're
can get
almost
one
there.
witch.
Hey, wait.
Who is this stupid idiot? Wait.
Yay! Back the fort.
Yeah, back to the fort actually. Bye bye. Run away, buddy. Budgie, run away. Ah, get the frick
Easy,
out of here.
easy. Oh no!
Let's get the witch and then go out.
attack her.
Define.
Please attack.
I will. Get that stupid idiot. Get that stupid idiot. Come in. Let's go attack, guys. Max minions? I only got 2 minions though. I love you stupidos. Boom. Max minions? Now one of my minions died. Ah, stupid idiots, get that. Oh, 200 damage. Holy.
Minion.
No, minion. Come back. Right. Oh no, that's not the way. Minion. Minions dying. My minions are dying. Ooh. Take that, stupid.
Enemy has called reinforcement. Back to the fort. Back to the fort.
My god, back to the fort. There are too
Back
many.
the fort, Ray.
Oh, I forgot. Run away, buddy. Oh man.
Buddy, I love you, but you die, buddy.
Can I control him? No, I can't. Yeah, he got them. Got him.
Oh, one shot.
Yeah, because he was low. Why is it doing so much less damage?
Hey, help us. Where are the helpers, bro? No.
Wait.
We are here to
Ding,
help.
ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. God, now my reinforcements are coming. Stupid idiots. Stupid idiots. You piece of shit. Take this point, idiots. You stupid idiots. Okay, archers. If it's like that, I'm coming. Stupid archers. Oh,
Lame.
he just did a close range bam and I died.
Oh no.
No, I'm not fighting you. I'm fighting this stupid archer.
The archers are a bit weak.
Die, idiot. Idiot. Come back, idiot. Come back, idiot. Good. Shit. Shit. I don't want to fight you. Let me fight the archer.
Run for your life.
My God.
No.
Idiot. I hate him. Yes. I killed the archer. Yes, I have my reinforcements. Are you stupid idiot? Oh my God, what the heck? I tripped. Why are you guys following me? My God.
Back the fort. Back the fort, I say, bro. Back
the
the fort.
Only one swordsman is left. Get wrecked. My God, these guys are so strong. Yeah. No, I have to defend. Attack.
No, if you defend.
No, they are all low, so it's easy peasy lemon squeezy jobs.
Do I have anything?
No, that's why.
My
Kill
life is
them
over.
both. Kill them both. Kill them both. Kill them all. Nice, you're the best.
Buddy.
He headshotted me. Okay.
Buddy, please. Buddy, save me, buddy.
Okay, you stupidos. Follow me, you stupidos. Follow me, you stupidos. Follow me. Follow me, you stupidos. Follow me. I'm attacking your base, stupid. And retry. This time I'm gonna get some poo-poo. The poor men will work. I need to upgrade these guys so they mine faster.
You need to upgrade that pickaxe.
Yeah. They have a poopy pickaxe.
And you need to also upgrade their shit like bags.
Yeah. You poop bags. Those are poop. Poop cleaning bags. Get an archer. Oh, I'm full. Okay.
You need to get so many archers.
Archers are the best. Let's get some swordsmen too. Why not?
Yeah. You get 20 archers and 10 this swordsman. Archery man.
Swordsmen are the best too.
Yeah. You get 10 swordsmen and 20 archers.
Oh, we going up in the monies. And we get some wizards. Let's get 2 wizards. Only 1 wizard.
I don't know what even a wizard is.
I wasted my
Wizard.
money. Okay, just take everything.
You need to get 3 wizards. No, you need to get 5 wizards. Everyone said that 5 wizards is the best to live.
No, stupids. They are already coming to attack. Come on, bro, you can do this. Let's just call some more reinforcements. I'm still mining with the full-handed guy. Yay, kill him. Oh my God, this guy is gonna die. One of my teammates.
Get a wizard, bro. Stop doing.
They attack. That's why I'm calling reinforcements. Kill him.
You need to get some wizard. Wizard is the best.
Ding,
You
ding,
don't know?
ding. Yeah, I know.
You need to get 5 wizards. That's the best to battle.
Come on. Come on, hail now, boys. Come on, hail now. You all special.
Now save for wizard. Save for 5 wizards. You need to get 5.
Oh, we're getting some money right now. Oh, 2 people dropped there.
You need to get 5 wizards. Don't waste your money.
5 wizards is too much. Oh my God, what
5
am I doing?
wizards is too much, but it is the best. You should not do anything. Don't do anything. Please don't do anything. Don't waste your money for me. No.
Just kidding. You both fill. You go. Time to get the wizard. It's wizard time. Time for another visit. Come on, wizard. Why are you sleeping? Why do you take so much time? He's sleeping.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm working so hard with the miners.
You know, right now I'm crunching some stones.
Oh, hi, Musanoda.
Look, I'm crunching some stones.
Yep, he's also working hard. Wait, I'm hitting backwards. Kya? I think I'm killing
I wanna
this
kill the
archer.
archer. He's so bad, he's so good, but he's the one who.
Oh, I'm running out of gold.
Huh?
Oh my god, look at the money. Ding ding. Let's get 2 archers. Why not?
Ding 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 ding.
I got 2 archers just for fun.
Ding 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 ding. Hading, hadong, hading, hadong, hading, hadong.
I'm working so hard with these guys. And these guys doing it slow.
Time to
Eh.
attack.
Let the other wizard come and the 2 archers. Then we'll attack. Okay, my... Come on, duties. Then we will get...
No.
No.
It's enough.
Ding, di. Just for fun. Let them all come, then we'll attack. Wait. I'm the Buddhi guy. Guys, I'm the little guy. Yay! I'm a kid. Don't hurt me. I'm a kid. Don't hurt me.
Okay,
I'm a
comment in
kid,
the
I'm a
comment
kid.
section that do you watch
Yeah.
Squid Game and do you like it?
Attack! Let me see how big the army became. Oh my flick! He got
That was too
destroyed.
fast. Okay. Wait.
Wait.
A single one.
No.
Okay, now let's go.
Wait. Let them get filled. Then we will kill. Come on, you idiots! Don't be slow.
Wait, 3, 2, 1.
Oop. Hey, we got full. Why are these guys doing it? Wait, let's see there. Oh, that's too many archers for us.
It's okay.
But we have some archers. Some.
Yeah, but we have so many. So wait.
We have so many
wait.
archers. And we'll go as the little one. He's the latest one.
2, go!
Wee. The little one. Look, there are 4 little ones. Oh, look at that rain.
Look at the damage, bro.
Yay, get wrecked, idiots. Oh, they're going back to the force. That's a very bad idea, though.
So fast now,
Dang it.
so
Oh,
fast.
I'm all the way here. I thought I was here.
Oh! Let them call their reinforcement. It's okay.
Hey, guys, attack!
Let the wizards do it.
Wizards, blast them. Boom. Blast them.
Oh
Where
my
am
god,
I?
it's raining.
Where am I? Oh, I'm still doing damage.
Hey.
Hey, little guy is helping me. Wait, why are our guys exploding? Guys, come on. Oh my god, all the wizards died. Oh, shit. Shall we go back to base? We go back to
Back
base.
the fort, back the fort.
There is only one archer left from that big army. No, they are attacking. I did. Dude, how the heck am I gonna do this?
I know. Don't worry. They will do it.
Attack!
We are here to help. The big
Stupid. Boom! Stupid. Come on, do it. Do it again.
Hey, the witch is doing child labor.
Get this child, idiots. I will kill them all in one singular bash. No, I missed. Because of you. That's too many, bro. That's freaking too many. Yeah, attack, stupids. Attack. Hey. Wait.
Select the wizard.
No, my God, it's so much arrows.
Oh, my beautiful babies. You should not kill children. Baby, you should not kill children. Killing children is the best way to go.
Oh my God, I'm killing so many. Take that, stupid. Take that.
Wizard? What the heck are you doing, wizard?
You can blast them all with one singular blast. What are you doing? Oh, I did.
Piece of shit.
You stupid wizard. Nice. You killed everyone. Yes, stupid. Oh, that's so much damage. I did 225 damage.
Again. That is 40?
Yeah.
You can buy
Oh
so
my
many
God.
stuff.
Look at that war. Look how many stupid Popudu are there.
You need to upgrade.
Yeah, so much.
Is this Roblox?
Yeah. Why we getting a Roblox ad in middle of legacies?
Wait. You need to see this. One liner, line to win. Okay. I am one done with this. I love Roblox. Miner.
Let's upgrade this mini boy. Is it?
Miners. No. Miners.
Oh yes, we got
Miners.
upgraded.
This thing.
No.
Miner pickaxe. Miner pickaxe.
Oh, that's the minus pickaxe. Yes,
Yeah. Okay, guys.
we got max. Okay, guys, let's then tomorrow another video of Stickman Legacy, Stickwalk Legacy. Okay, bye bye. I want another upgrade. How do I get infinite upgrades like YouTubers do
First, you need to become a god.
at this game?
Yeah.
Ooh, this is haste is so.
No. You need to buy this. You need to buy.
No. I will buy this. No, this. What does this do?
Spartans throw there.
Spear Stasker. Ooh, what?
This is the zombie mode. This is useless.
Yeah, this is useful. These are
the
all
best.
the best.
You need to buy this when you are in.
Yeah, it does. Yeah! And they all pooped out.
Okay, now
Let's
what?
just buy this
Yeah,
or this. This is best because I like
this baby.
No, I like swordsman.
Okay.
Hehe.
I think you can buy.
What is healing? Heals all your units. Wow.
What is this? Summons a powerful healing unit.
What?
Golden Sparring. The legendary golden.
Yeah, the army. That
What does this do then? Summon a legendary golden Archon.
Wow. Then we'll buy this when we get 150. And guys, boo boo, bye bye, goo goo, gaga.